Hello, Mahi.
Yes, sir.
Question number 5. Can you read, please?
Okay, sir. Which statement about copper explains why it is better conductor of heat than glass? A. Atomic vibration is passed on to neighboring copper atoms quickly. B. Atoms move through the copper and pass on kinetic energy. C. Their density changes within the copper. D. There are free electrons in the copper. Sir, D.
Bangladesh,
No, sir. Dhaka.
Dhaka. Okay. Explanation, please.
Sir, since copper is a metal, it has free electrons.
Hmm. Yes. Yes, please.
So that's it.
Copper is metal, right? Copper has free electrons. Yeah, very good. And what about A?
Um,
What about
Sir,
A?
atoms, atomic vibration happen. No, sir, nothing.
So why is it incorrect statement?
Yes, I think.
So atomic vibration is passed on to neighboring copper atoms. Uh, it's why it's wrong statement. Listen, that in one class we gave this explanation. Like glass and copper, both are solid, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
if you like take one piece of glass and keep this glass like for long time very close to the heat source, then you will feel that like after 20 minutes or 15 minutes you touch it, you will feel also the copper is hot, right? It's not like the metal one, but it's little, but it is hot, isn't it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So how this heat transferred to copper? How this heat transferred to copper? It transferred by the how this heat is transferred to the glass by the vibration of neighboring molecules, right? In glass, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And copper also has this type of vibrations. Okay, in the atomic level or the molecular level, that vibration is there, and by that vibration, they are passing the energy from one molecules to another molecule, one atom to neighboring molecules by vibrations, right? Isn't it? Apart from it, copper has some extra, uh, you know, ability, or copper has some extra, property that it has free electrons. So in copper, we have the transfer of free electrons, but in glass, we don't have. That is the difference, right? Isn't it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So the statement in A is partly correct, and we say it's not wrong. This statement is okay, but which one is more appropriate? They are asking us in the question, they are saying why copper is better conductor than heat, better conductor of heat than glass. That's why we chose D, right? There are free electrons in the copper. Is it clear? We compared between glass and copper, right?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have here four, right? What about Maimuna and Mariam? What about them? Okay, now we have question six. Okay, Adrita, question six.
The diagram shows a frozen pond with the surface of the ice slowly melting as heat is transferred from the warmer air above it. By which processes is heat transferred from the air to the ice?
Yeah,
I guess it's B, conduction and convection only. Hello?
yes,
I guess the answer is B, conduction and convection only.
conduction and convection only. Okay. Then any more ideas? Hello? Any more ideas, please? So what about others? You have any, choice or you have any explanation about this? Question six, what will be the answer? This is a little bit tricky question. So we need to think, research on it. Huh? So the heat is transferred from air to ice, right?
Yes, sir.
So if it is in air and from air it's going to ice, uh, why there will be no radiation? Won't be there any radiation?
Um, I don't think so.
You don't think so? Why? Why is not possible to have radiation?
Because air is supposed to convect heat, right?
Hmm. Yeah. Then what? Radiation does not require any medium, right?
Yeah.
So if they, there is heat somewhere, so uh, won't be there some radiation always? Because radiation does not require any medium. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So Adrita, are you understanding what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah, so always there will be some heat loss by radiation. Even if there is no medium, there is heat loss by radiation. So here we have some medium already, and though we are having heat is transferring from air to water or water to ice. So whatever the condition, some radiation will be there always.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So there will be radiation. Now uh, about the conduction. Why there is conduction?
Because heat will be transferred, like it will transfer from one point to another in the ice. So the
Hmm.
molecules in ice will vibrate. They will
Yeah, very good. So we have mainly the focusing is here that it is transferring in solids, right? From liquid to solid, it's transferring, right? So
yes, sir.
when it's transferring to solid, there is vibration of molecules, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So it's they are focusing here. Look in the question, they are saying uh, from the air to ice, air to ice. So from fluid to ice, right? From fluid to ice, not
Yes, sir.
within the fluid. It's not within the fluid, not within the fluid, not about circulation of
Sir, what was the answer of number 5?
number five. I'm going to number five, no problem. Let us finish it, okay, first, then we'll go
Yes,
to
sir.
five again, no problem. Not within the fluid, right? They they are saying from air to ice. That's making the question difficult. Okay, so when the learners or the students they see air, then they think first convection, right? But here we are not getting the context or the question that they are asking us within the air or within the liquid. Okay, within the fluid. That's why there will be no convection, right? That's why, please write the notes. That's why no convection. So when we also got the question at the beginning, first time, got also confused that what should be the answer. Then mark scheme we check, we found the answer is Dhaka. Okay, there is radiation only and conduction only. Okay, radiation and conduction only, not any convection. Why conduction? Because uh, here we
I said,
have here we have conduction because it transfers to solid, right? And when it transfers to solid, there is vibration of molecules. So by vibrations of molecules, any kinds of heat transfer, that is conduction. We have conduction because it transferred to solid ice. Why vibrations of molecules or atoms, whatever you say, molecules. Okay, then we have radiation. Why radiation? Radiation will be always there unless and until we are giving any shiny surface, uh, shiny coating, it is reflected back completely. That time we will reduce or we will stop the radiation process. Otherwise, radiation will be there. Whatever, whatever the medium available, there will be always radiation because radiation is independent of independent on any medium. Okay, so it does not require a medium, like it can go without medium. So why not in the medium? It will go, it will pass, right, with the process of radiation. Is it clear now?
Yes.
No? Okay, so all are present now, except Mariam. Mariam is not yet here. Okay, we have. So Farabi, you understood, right? Mahi?
Yes, sir.
No. So
Yes,
Monica,
sir.
could you please have a snap from here and send to our group this writing, my writing part, and including question 6.
Done, sir.
Okay, now there will be another question, a little bit difficult question. You try to get it. There is a more difficulty question. Should I give you this one now or we'll do it later? We'll do easier questions now or we'll continue with 7? Huh?
Sir, I missed number 5.
Oh, you missed question 5. Yeah, I forgot. Yeah, 5, please. 5. What is the answer of 5? You check, you
Sir,
read it.
D.
You read it. Read it. Huh? Please read it. Maimuna, please read. Huh?
Yes, sir. Which statement about copper explains why it is a better conductor of heat than glass?
Hmm. Copper is better conductor than glass. Why? Both are solids, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, both can do heat transfer by vibrations of molecules, but copper has some extra quality. What is that?
Copper has free electrons?
Yeah, copper has free electrons, but glass does not, right?
Yes, sir.
That's why it will be better conductor of heat.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then answer is Dhaka, right? Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, are you seeing the screen? Question
Yes,
number
sir.
7. Okay, read it. Read it, Maimuna.
On a cold afternoon, a house loses 45 megajoule of thermal energy to its surrounding as shown. The heating system must supply more than 54 megajoule of thermal energy to keep the temperature of the house constant. Which statement explains this?
Yeah. So, which statement would be appropriate for this? Any idea, anyone, please? Anyone got the answer? You can raise your hand if you think you got the answer. Yes, Mahi. Mahi, have you got the answer, Mahi?
No,
Farabi,
sir.
Farabi, think of. Adita,
Yes, sir.
have you got the answer?
I'm not sure, but I guess it is B.
Which
I'm
one
not
you
sure
gave?
yet.
Which one you gave?
B.
Dhaka, Dhaka. Okay.
No, B. Bangladesh.
Bangladesh, Bangladesh you gave.
Yeah.
Okay. Then Monica, Monica, you got anything?
Trying.
Huh? Trying, yeah. Mariam,
Sir, she has microphone problems.
okay, she has microphone problem. And you got your one, Maimuna,
Sir, it's B.
Bangladesh.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, let us see the question again. Uh, the house loses 54 megajoule. Yeah, the heating system supply more than 54 megajoule. So some more energy, like the data given here at the beginning, house loses 54 megajoule, but actually it's losing more, right? Hello,
Yes, sir.
like the room is in constant temperature, right? Temperature of the
Yes, sir.
house is constant. So if you are giving extra, like extra thermal energy, then the room will become more, hot. Okay, like what is necessary? If you give extra heat energy, then it will become more hot. Rather, if you want to make the room constant temperature, there might be possibility you are giving more heat energy, but the room is in constant temperature. That means you got some more heat lost. Okay, that's why it is in constant temperature.
Oh, sir, so it should be A.
Yeah, and there is some other ways you can think of. Like they showed us windows, they showed us thermal energy loss through walls, they showed us through the floor, roof, but they did not show us door, did they? Hmm? They did not show us doors. Door is not there, right? So heat energy also lost through the doors, right? And
Yes, sir.
maybe there are some other places where there is possibility to heat loss. So extra thermal energy is lost from the house to the surroundings by other means. That's why they supplied more than 54 megajoules to keep the temperature constant in the house. Okay, are you satisfied with the explanation, everyone.
Yes, sir, understood.
Yeah. Adrita, have you understood?
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you have any still doubts or you need more explanation, please we will think of about this at home and we will discuss it again. No problem. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we go to question number 8. Yeah. Question number 8. This idea already we got little bit. I think now it will be easier for you to get the answer. Question number 8. Question number 8. Adrita, you read. Question 8.
A saucepan is used to heat up some water. How is heat transferred through the aluminum pan and through the plastic handle? The answer is B. Hello.
Yeah,
The answer is B. B for Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
Yeah.
Okay. Any explanation?
Aluminum is a metal, and um, conduction in metals works by the movement of free electrons and also the vibration of atoms, while plastic is a non-metal. Here, only vibration of molecules conduct heat and electricity.
Yes, yes, correct. So in plastic, as it is solid, we have vibration of molecules. And in aluminum, we have vibration of molecules. Along with that, we have the movement of free electrons. So everyone, you understood it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. So
So, sir,
the
what's the answer?
yeah, the answer is Bangladesh. Because in aluminum we have movement of free electrons and the vibration of atoms, and in plastic we have only vibrations, right? That's
Yes, sir.
making aluminum as better conductor, right?
Yes, sir.
So you understood it, Mahe,
Yes, sir.
Monica, Farabi, Maimuna?
Yes.
Sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
yeah, very good. Now Maimuna, you read, huh? This one. 9.
A silver cup is filled with boiling water from a kettle. A man touches the outside surface of the cup and finds that it is extremely hot. Why is the surface so hot?
Yeah. Why? Yeah, only Adrita raised hand. What about others? You got the answer? Mahi, Maimuna, Farabi, Monica, you got the answer?
Sir, is it A?
Touches. A man touches the outside surface.
B.
Sir, is it
Yeah.
B?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Silver is a good conductor of it. That's why. Because he's touching, right? If it is touching, that means it's in contact. Okay, if it is in contact, then there is conduction, right? So it's a good conductor of it, isn't it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So the answer should be Bangladesh. Then we have structured questions. Our MCQ part is over. Now structured questions. So Mahi, you read structured question 1.
Figure 1.1 shows a cylindrical copper kettle that contains cold water. The kettle is used to heat water and there is an electrical heater at the base. State and explain the advantage of heating the water from below.
Yeah. What is the advantage to give it from below? Yeah. Adrita raised hand. Is there any other hand?
Sir,
Yeah. Yeah. Please.
because of convection.
Yeah. Very good. Yeah. Idea is coming. To
As
get the
convection,
to get the convection process, right? To have the
yes, sir.
convection process, right? To be done. Then what happens in convection process?
So we need the heating element to be at the
Yeah.
bottom.
Yeah. That is the condition for convection. Then we start the convection, and the convection process is working there. So what happens if there is convection? What happens? There is circulation, right?
Yes, sir. And lower density
Circulation. Yeah,
molecules
there
rise
is
up.
circulation of water, and heat is distributed uniformly everywhere. What is the purpose of circulation? Heat is distributed everywhere, right? Uniformly, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So 2 points, for 2 marks, 2 points should be there. So the first point, what you said, that the convection process is happening here, and by convection process, what is our target? There is circulation of water molecules, right, within the liquid.
Yes,
Okay, circulation of water molecules. If you write, then it will come. Okay, so it's done, right? Yeah, Adrita, you got the same answer, right?
Um, yeah, almost.
Yeah. So you want to add anything, Adrita?
My answer was a bit different, but I guess I'm okay with this answer.
Yeah, very good. So question number two, Mahi, can you read question two?
Okay, sir. A house has several solar panels on the roof. These panels use energy from the sun both to generate electricity and to raise the temperature of water that passes through tubes inside the panels. The panels on the roof of the house have a black surface. State how energy from the sun travels through space before it reaches the earth. Explain the advantage of using planes that have black surface.
Okay, so what is the answer of one, two, one? Yeah, how energy is uh, coming from sun to earth? Yeah, Monica. Monica raised hand, right? Monica?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what's your
It
answer for? Yeah?
it require it takes the helps of radiation,
Yes,
and
yes,
radiation
very
doesn't
good.
require a medium.
Yes, very good. So it's the process of heat transfer radiation, right? By the process of radiation, heat comes from sun to earth. Very good, very good. Then second part, what is the answer?
Black are good emitters of heat.
Mhm. Black are only good emitters of heat, or they are also good absorber of heat.
Absorbers of heat.
So which one will be appropriate here, absorber or emitter?
Absorber.
Absorber. And if it is absorbing more heat, what will happen?
So more electricity is
Exactly,
produced.
exactly. Very good, very good. So we have here 2 marks, right? So for first
Yes, sir.
mark, you should mention that black is very good absorber of heat. And second point is it can produce more electricity or generate more electricity by absorbing more heat. Okay, is it clear? Why 2 marks?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so we should focus in the marking. Huh? Where is 2 marks? Where is 1 mark? That way we should, settle our answer, design our answer. Yeah, Maimuna, have you understood everything?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and then
No, sir,
Mahi.
I got disconnected in number two too.
Yeah, number 2. Can you read, Maimuna? What is
Sir,
written
can you
there? Yeah, read, Maimuna, number 2.
Yes, sir. Should I read the question?
Yes, yes.
A house has several solar panels on the roof. These panels use energy from the sun both to generate electricity
Mm-hmm.
and to raise the temperature of
Mm-hmm.
the water. The
Okay, rejoin after 5 minutes, all of you.
consists
Rejoin after 5 minutes. We will discuss it, no problem.